These are my analysis on the news, and you can see I've deposited a little bit above 2k. That's 2500 USD deposit. So far I'm floating on a profit of 500. News is in the next 2 minutes. Kenyan Prince is selling with his team. So my system has given me buys, as you can see here. So I just want to see what basically happens, whether we make money, we take their money, or we lose money. This is purely gambling. So yeah, market gets here before news, I exit. Market gets here at the news, I exit also. So let us wait. Let us see who is the actual king of trading. Let us see who is the actual king of trading. Let us see, guys. News in the next few seconds. News in the next, actually it is news now because it is 3:15, and I don't know, the market is not moving the way I wanted it to. The market is not moving, man. You have the signal. The signal was provided by the system. The signal is there. The signal is there. The system provided the signal. The system provided the signal, guys. Bulk operations, oh my goodness. I told you, close all profitable positions. Boom. 2500 to 5000. What are you saying, man? What are you saying? As you can see, guys, our system basically never fails so long as you're following and using it the way it is supposed to be used. Never fails. The first trade was here. This was 1:4 risk to reward ratio. Another one, this one I did it on a live class with one of my students. I was training them on how to use this AI system, the sniper entries. And this is the last one we have taken with you here on the live session. And as you have seen, I told you my target was 33.88. This system never fails. I have tested it before, and if you would love to learn more about this, just join our group. The link is in the description below. If you don't have a forex broker, just open one with the link in the description below, and you're going to basically see what I'm talking about. We don't talk about things that we don't do. It is basically actual results, something that you can do and repeat consistently. That is basically what matters in trading. If you are not consistently profitable, then you're not doing anything in these markets. Guys, subscribe for more information and more insights about trading.